Video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We are here sa time zone Glorieta 4 o time zone G4. This will be the last look of it kasi i-renovate to. Kasi close down muna nila, i-renovate nila. No? Pero we are very lucky na nakapasok tayo dito. It will be the last view of the time zone at very hopeful na makita yung bagong version niya. Mas malaki, mas malawak, mas updated yung mga games. So dito ako tumatambay ng mga high school and college every Saturday. Glorieta. Mga tumatambay dito every Saturday noon, alam nyo yan. Hanggang closing tayo ng Glorieta. So that's it. Watch this video for a quick walkthrough. That's it. Under renovation yung buong Glorieta 4 eh. Ayan o. So kasama niya yung Starbucks dito na wala na. And also the cinemas are gone. Well, some of the cinemas are open, tsaka closed. Nakapaglaro tayo ng Minecraft kanina using my power card. Time zone power card. Tama ba? Power card ba tawag dito? So yung goodbye time zone. Kita-kits a new renovated version in the future. Right.